how we feed seagulls at, I was gonna say Disneyland, but this is Epcot. Okay, ready? They were doing it a little while before, and I think they're gonna do it again. There it goes, there it goes. Okay, switch, my turn. I have a bee still. There's no seagulls around.
There, throw a piece on the... Oh, here it comes. And there it goes.
Where'd that even come from?
He circled around you.
No. And then...
No. This woman's crazy. It's like a $4 piece right there.
That actually would technically be $1. It's like 1/4 of the pretzel.
She's gonna have 1/4 of my foot up her ass.